I cannot believe how fast time has passed. And I am so overjoyed that I was blessed with a baby princess, Radhe, so many years ago. And as the years passed, I watched her grow and blossom to be the beautiful damsel of the spiritual world. She came into my home, into my family, to bless us all with her love for Krishna. Now, as I witness her grow, from the years of the past to today, I'm so excited to be sharing with you Kumari Radhe today as the dedicated, spiritual, blossoming preacher, singer, my best friend and favorite person. She's entering a new chapter, a new journey, and today I bring to you a little glimpse into the life of Kumari Radhe. Stay tuned.